Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on auction or bounce, whatever you want to call it. Wanted to do a quick video on that because I saw this morning it actually was quite bullish. It has dropped down since then. I mean, to be honest, I actually bought some in spot here at the top. I think around like $10.75. Because overall, I mean, if you look at this chart for bounce, it's bullish. All right, so I will hold that spot position. I saw some other analysts as well. I don't think I believe that, but I saw some other analysts as well talking about filling this wick, so going all the way up to 17.5. I don't think that will happen, but if you look at the market, if you look at the technical situation for bounce right now, it's not helping that Bitcoin is feeling some bearish pressure, right? So that's pushing bounce down. But in general, if you look at it, and it is actually called auction, of course, the ticker, but I prefer to call it bounce. What you'll see in general is that right now, like it had a spike of open interest at the start of this day. It's dropping quite rapidly right now, but if you look at the last 2 weeks, there's just an increase of momentum here. And that is sometimes with some, sometimes it just goes up, or usually it goes up and then drops down. So that's also what I expect from here. So the last two times were the 20th of November and the 24th. So you can see right here that's that move, and then this move right here, which is actually pretty weird that it was so high right there. But what usually happens is a fall after that, and then followed by later on another spike. And I think overall, if you look at this open interest, it usually stays higher than where it began. Especially if you look at the last month. I mean, the last month, the open interest has gone up from 2 million to where it is right now, it's 6 million. So long term, I'm still quite bullish on auction. I also know they had some great developments lately. But on the short term, it's, the market structure is bullish. But it's a very wide and up and down range, right? So you got this bullish momentum right here. And then here at the top, it's more like this. So you can see that there's some sort of a channel, and excuse my beautiful drawing, but you can see there's some sort of a bullish channel. And I expect that channel to be held, but that does mean that bounce on the short term can fall down towards 7.79 or $9.79, potentially even lower down to $8. That would, like $8, then if it doesn't find some strong momentum from there quickly, then the channel might have been broken. But so far, like I said, I mean, there's just there's a sell-off going on at this moment. Bitcoin is quite bearish at this moment, so sure, bounce is going to fall. But I see no reason why, given the history of the coin right now, I see no reason why it should not hold this channel. Even though Bitcoin is showing some bearish momentum right now, I expect it on the long term to stay bullish. And auction right now, even though it really has a mind of its own, over the last 30 days, it has been quite correlated to Bitcoin. All right, so yeah, those are my thoughts. But that does mean, to give you a brief summary, that does mean on the short term, like the main support level right now is between 10 and 9.8. Like there's a real possibility bounce drops down below that level, right? So closes below that and really drops down. That's also what it did right here, the 20th of November. And then it really drops down to the bottom of the range around $8.7 and $9 before going up again. So yeah, those are my thoughts. That's my full analysis right now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.